Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be playing around with ColourPop because I did a purchase a while back, like a month and a half ago, and I completely forgot that I had that order. I was surprised that it got here today on the mail, and the best part about it is they were all on sale and I got them for way cheaper. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hello guys, so I have here my beverage. Join me with your favorite beverage if you have one. I just was having a bad day, you know, one of those bad days that you just want to explode, but you try not to. So have a little bit of wine in here. Yes, I drink wine with a straw. And I decided to sit down and play with makeup because that relaxes me and I enjoy it. Plus, the only good thing that happened today was that I got this package from ColourPop, which I had ordered this, oh my gosh, like a month and a half ago, and I completely forgot about this. So when I saw it in the mailbox, I was like, oh, at least something good. Let me tell you what I got and why I got it. And by the way, you ColourPop, I know you're not watching this, but still chill on the releases please, because I got this today and I was excited about it, and I think tomorrow they're launching a new Zodiac palette type of thing, and I wanted to get that one and I can't get it now. So just chill. I purchased these because they were all on sale. Let me tell you which ones I grabbed and how much it really cost and how much I bought it for. So the first one I bought was the Amore palette. Let me open it up. When they came out with these fine pan shadows, oh, they were so pretty. And I got this one and I got another one I'll show you in a minute. They put it on special. And I mean, look how beautiful this color is. And the packaging, by the way, look at the packaging with these borders. I love that. And that one retails for $10, but I got it for $7.50. The next one is the Ballad one. I love cool tone eyeshadows. Gray eyeshadows like this one. Oh, that, I love that.
Ooh, wow.
And that also retails for $10 and I got it for $7.50. But I also had this one in mind for a while, the Cherry Crush palette, and I really wanted to get this one too. And this one retails for $14 and it was $10.50. It's more on the red side, and I don't have that many red tones eyeshadows, so that's why I wanted this one. So I bought those three, but trust me, I wanted to buy more. And now my neighbor wants to mow the lawn. I didn't record earlier like I usually do because he was cutting the grass and he stopped for like an hour, so I said, oh, he's done. No, that's him again. Yeah, because that's how it is. So I already primed my face using the Touch in Sol. I'm gonna use my favorite L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm gonna use it with a sponge. I already wet it. You hear that? For concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. My fave. This lasts a long time. A really long time. So what I've been doing lately is, if you watch my videos, you know that I love to set my face with setting spray now before I add powder, because I have extremely oily skin and that helps it last way longer and I don't get so oily throughout the day. So what I've been doing is, and I get oily on my T-zone, just on my T-zone, the rest of my face is normal. I use the Pixi one just on the borders of my face, and then I use the Milani Make It Last in the center of my face. And I like that combo for my skin type. For powder, I'm using my new favorite, which is the Flower Beauty. I swear I'm not drunk. The Beauty Bakery flower powder. Oh my god. This is so freaking good, you guys. I got it in my BoxyCharm and it's become my favorite so far. Like, it's the best. Now, before I set everything else, I'm gonna use Fenty the cream stick, contour stick, that one, because it's actually pretty good. It's just that I always forget this step because I use powder all the time, but I like the color. I'm gonna use that one. And then for blush, which I barely use blush, but I bought this one from NYX and I only used it once because it's really pigmented. I have to be really careful with that one. See, so natural. Love it. Then for this one, I'm going to use a sponge with this one, and very little of it because it is so pigmented, and this shade is Baby Doll. Baby Doll. Now I'm going to set everything else with the powder. Okay, so I didn't think this through because, oh, by the way, I also received a while back this lipstick from ColourPop from another purchase I did, and they threw in this one, which I want to try. And I want to try this mascara because in my last video on my BoxyCharm, I was supposed to test this out because I got it in my BoxyCharm and I forgot to film it. But I did update the description box in case you were wondering. So I want to try it out now in this video. Now the true question is, which palette am I going to use today? Because I have 3. And I don't know if I should just do a video for each palette, a dedicated video for each palette, or I should just dabble into all of them. But then again, I don't think this one is going to go with the other 2. Although I like something that I see here. So I don't know if I should just do a look using these 2 today and then this one separate. Oh, let me show you swatches of these. At least these 2 right here. Ooh la la. How gorgeous is that? But at the same time, from this one, I really like this one, which is this one over here. Okay, I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna start with this one, Passion, all over the eyes. So what do you guys like to do when you're blowing off steam? Some people like to do exercise, some people like to listen to music, which I also do. What do you do? I'm eager to know. This is a nice transition color. I like it. I'm gonna put a little bit of that same color at the lower lash line. Now I want to deepen that crease. I'm gonna use this one, which is Fate, because it's so pretty. And I'm gonna blend that little area there with Romeo. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is called Darling. Concentrate this more on the outer corner right over here, and a little bit on the crease. Now I'm using a smaller brush, like this one, and I'm gonna go in with this color. Oh my god, that color is so gorgeous. And I'm gonna concentrate that just over here a little, just to deepen that a little bit. And try to lift up the eye, because my eyes are droopy. They always droop down. Ooh, my dog just farted. Oh, so bad. So far, they're all blending very nicely. I had no complaints. Now I'm gonna take Novel and put it on the inner corner. I'm gonna use glitter primer just to make it pop more. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is on the lower lash line, take this shade and add that down here a little bit lower. And with a smaller, even smaller one, I'm gonna take, not this one, this one right here, put that really close to the lower lash line. Clean that brush, and now what I'm going to do is take this shade in the center. Now I said I was going to use the mascara so you can see it, but I have so much darkness going on. I doubt you'll be able to see it, but anyway, I'm going to record it just in case, if it's possible for you to see it. It's a very thin wand. Very thin. And what I was saying in the description box of the last video is that it's lengthening, but it doesn't thicken your eyebrows, so you get no volume. It's just lengthening. I'm using these from Salon Perfect in style 614. Okay, so my battery is running low. I gotta be quick. So I was gonna use the Lippy from ColourPop, but it's a shade red, and I don't think I want to use red with this color. So I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors in shade Lazy Daisy. So this is the final look. What do you think? I love the colors. These are so amazing. I love them. And both of them together, I think it makes a nice combo because you have warm tones and cool tones that you can play with them both. I'm glad I purchased them, and I'm glad they were on sale. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload. Give the video a thumbs up, And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. I need my phone that I left over there with all the information. Great. Let me go do that. Oh, I'm starting to sweat. The wine is kicking in. Yeah. Why is my hand shaking? Is it straight now? Are you straight?